Hello students, welcome to the English Shorthand channel, Shorthand Destination. I am going to dictate you a general matter of 431 words at the speed of 80 words per minute. So students, get ready, start. I shall briefly deal with certain points, legal and constitutional, moral and ethical, which have been raised by the opposition because many have said so many things. It seems that our party has voluntarily surrendered its time, but I do not want to set the record right by telling and convincing the House that not one of their objections has any validity either in law or otherwise. The first objection is, why should this be a constitutional provision? Now, I consider this power to the people, power at the grassroots level, as the very basic structure of our constitution. No process of devolution of power, whether it is power to parliament, whether it is power to the legislature, whether it is power to the municipalities or panchayats, is complete unless that devolution of power has constitutional basis. It cannot be left to the sweet will of the states to enact laws in such manners as they like, and in fact the devolution of this power must be protected by the constitution, because one knows how difficult it is to amend the constitution. It is easy to repeal an act but very difficult to amend the constitution. What is most important is that when you ask why we are giving constitutional basis for this measure, I have only to cite the 12th recommendation of Ashok Mehta Committee, a committee which was constituted by the Janata government of the opposition. The 12th recommendation says the committee agreed to the need for a provision in the constitution in order to provide the Panchayati Raj institutions the requisite status as well as assurance of continuous functioning. It is not a matter of surprise that the Ashok Mehta Committee recommendations were not adopted by the Janata government, but even their own committee has recommended, and I cannot conceive of the devolution of power being effective unless it has the constitutional status which is now given by these bills. Then there is the objection, and it is a serious objection, that we are encroaching upon the legislative power of the state legislature. I know I am a citizen of India. Also, I am a member of Rajya Sabha, which is a council of states, and I am aware of the delicate and fine balance which the Constitution has made in the division of powers between the states and the center. Let me assure the members of the opposition that I am as vigilant, if not more, as any one of them in guarding the interest of the state and particularly the state which I represent in this house. That's over.